Let's be honest, when you think of growing muscle or getting in shape at home, dumbbells don't often get the recognition they deserve. But these simple tools? They're the unsung heroes of home fitness. Compact, affordable, and brutally effective. Whether you've got a single pair hidden under your bed or a full rack, dumbbells may drastically revolutionize your home exercises. Stick around, because today, I'm talking you through how to turn your dumbbells into a full-blown muscle-building, fat-burning, strength-sculpting machine right in your living room. So why dumbbells? First of all, they don't take up much space. You don't need big fancy machines or tools. They're relatively inexpensive, and they give insane versatility. There is a dumbbell variant for every part of your body, from your upper body to your lower body to your core to your cardio. But dumbbells make your muscles work harder than all of that. Barbells can occasionally let one side take over, but with dumbbells, each arm or leg has to pull its own weight, literally. That means higher gains, better balance, and better symmetry. And whether you're a total newbie just getting into training, or someone who's been lifting for years, dumbbells scale with you. It's not about lifting heavy, it's about lifting correctly. Let's start with the upper body. If you're aiming to build strength and definition, these moves should be your bread and butter. The dumbbell bench press. This one's a classic. Great for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you don't have a bench at home, no problem. You may do this on the floor. Lower the dumbbell slowly, elbows at a 45-degree angle, and push up strong. You want control here, not speed. Next, dumbbell rows. These are your go-to for back development. Think of them like dragging yourself up a rope. Brace your core, keep your back flat, and force that elbow back. You're not yanking, you're squeezing. That's how you activate the lats and really generate that V-taper shape. Now for shoulders, dumbbell shoulder pushes. Overhead pressing is one of the best ways to increase upper body strength and structure. You can do these standing or seated. Either method, push the dumbbell straight up, but don't lock your elbows, and don't forget to engage your core so you're not arching your back. These 3 workouts alone may produce a strong, contoured upper body, but we're just getting fired up. Too many individuals skip legs during home exercises. Don't be one of them. Strong legs aren't just about aesthetics. They're the foundation of your strength, balance, and even your posture. Dumbbell squats. Simple, effective, and hard to surpass. Hold the weights at your sides or up in a goblet position, chest up, and sink into your hips as you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your knees tracking over your toes and drive up into your heels. This hits your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings all at once. Now, lunges. These aren't just a quad or glute exercise. They're also a balance issue. Step forward, lower until both knees are at 90 degrees, then push back. You'll feel these in your core, your legs, your lungs, everywhere. Lastly, Romanian deadlifts, or RDLs. These are excellent for your hamstrings and glutes. Keep the dumbbells close to your legs, back straight, and hinge at the hips. Don't think bend over, instead push your hips back. You'll stretch those hamstrings and build strength from the ground up. Okay? Once you've got those basics nailed in, you can liven things up. Try an incline dumbbell press for your upper chest. Add some dumbbell bicep curls for those arms, or overhead tricep extensions to contour the back of your arms. Want to challenge your core? Do some renegade rows or dumbbell Russian twists. Want cardio? Throw in a dumbbell snatch or thrusters to get your heart rate up while still increasing strength. The secret isn't in how many exercises you perform, it's in how well you do them. Proper form, controlled reps, and picking a weight that pushes you while keeping you safe. That's how you grow. Listen, progress with dumbbells doesn't mean grabbing the heaviest ones and hoping for the best. It means knowing where you are and where you're headed. Start with a weight you can control for 8-12 reps. If you're breezing through, it's time to go heavy. If your form breaks down after a few reps, drop the weight and rebuild. And remember, tempo matters. Going slower on the way down, called the eccentric phase, can actually create more muscle than speeding through. There's no rush. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Here's the truth. Most people don't stick to an exercise routine because it feels too complicated. Too much gear, too many rules. Dumbbells, they cut the noise. No waiting for machines, no gym fees, no commute. You can work out before breakfast, between meetings, or after the kids go to bed. You can target every major muscle region, burn calories, develop muscle, and feel amazing, all with 2 lumps of metal and a bit of floor space. So, what did we cover? Upper body, lower body, variety, progression, and mindset. The dumbbell bench press, rows, and shoulder press for the upper body, squats, lunges, and RDLs for your lower body, and an entire choice of add-ons whenever you're ready to level up. If you're just starting, start with 2 or 3 exercises a day. Keep your reps controlled. Don't worry about how much you lift, focus about how well you lift. And if you've been training for a while, dial in your shape, explore different permutations, and push those limits. This isn't about equipment, it's about commitment. And dumbbells, they just happen to be the most underestimated secret weapon in the game. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more workouts ideas and no-nonsense fitness guidance. And hey, grab those dumbbells and let's get to work. See you in the next one.